Hi, I'm Sherry Patera, the CFO and President of AMI. We're a job shop located in Middleborough, Mass. We have about 15,000 square feet of manufacturing space. We have approximately 40 employees, and we've been in business since 1985. I am directly involved in all the purchasing of equipment here at AMI, the financing side of it for sure. And I deal with MFR for a number of reasons. One, they're easy to deal with. Their paperwork is simple, it's just one page. They're responsive. You can do almost 100% financing, or you can do 100% financing with them, which is great, especially for the large purchases. It allows us to leave our other lines of credit wide open. They are in tune to everything that goes on in our industry. They know machining, so unlike my bank, I don't have to explain to them what we're going to use it for, how we use it. I can get the machine and the tooling, put it all together into one loan. As I said, they really understand how to package it and how to make it as easy for me as possible, and I like that.